Everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Angel Rani Bag. I am reading class 5th. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrate 76th Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. On this day, the Constitution is India come into force in 1950. The Constitution is supreme law of India. Our Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day make us realize the importance of democracy. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace, love and unity. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Thank you.